Welcome to Santa Rosa, Soma. We will tackle the 10 basic strikes. 10 basic strikes. So these are simplified versions of strikes from other styles. Some styles in Kali and Arnis have as many as 12. Some have as few as 8. No? Ocho tiros. We will use 10. Right? So, without further delay, let's get to it. Pugay, da. So, isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampu. Okay? We will now repeat, but we will move. First, we will start from a little more to the back. Pugay. Handa. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampu. So, these are the 10 basic strikes that we'll practice in Santa Rosa Soma. They are taken from basic modern Arnis, from the basic of traditional Sayok Kali, and several other sources. So, study these well, pag-aralan na mabuti para mamemorya. Okay? Salamat.